Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. While performing online banking using a web browser, a user receives an email that contains a link to an interesting website. When the user clicks on the link, another web browser session starts and displays a video of cats playing a piano. The next business day, the user receives what looks like an email from his bank, indicating that his bank account has been accessed from a foreign country. The email asks the user to call his bank and verify the authorization of a funds transfer that took place. What web browser-based security vulnerability was exploited to compromise the user? Option A. Clickjacking. Option B. Cross-site scripting. Option C. Cross-site request forgery. Option D. Web form input validation. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option C. Cross-site request forgery. Question 2. Which service in a PKI will vouch for the identity of an individual or company? Option A. KDC. Option B. CR. Option C. CBC. Option D. CA. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option D. CA. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.